think one of the major concerns, usually clients have would be regarding the, timelines and the deliverables. So what we do basically to try to counter this is really work closely with the scheduling team. Every scientist feels accountable as well for his or her schedule and making sure projects are feasible and can be delivered in time. We worked on as well some report templates for the scientists to use, so we get trying to shorten the timeline and try to be more effective in the writing process of our reports and be more consistent with the data sharing as well. So I think those are examples of what we try to do to counter this.
Sometimes clients can think maybe we don't have all the offerings that they may get at one of the larger CROs, which I feel that we counter that because we over-deliver often. We meet our deadlines. We sometimes we're even ahead of deadlines, which some of our clients have been very happily surprised by. Being a mid-sized CRO versus a larger CRO, we're nimble, we're able to change, we are able to anticipate client needs versus one of the larger CROs, which takes longer to make changes in a protocol or a procedure, takes longer to develop an assay versus Altasciences, where we have specialized scientists who that's what they do. They develop our assays for us quickly.